Now, i-check natin yung output ninyo for the first long quiz. Let us first read kung ano yung situation na yon at sagutan natin siya. So, first one, situation 1. Here's the instruction. Read the situation and accomplish the data. Choose from the options provided in the table for 10 points. So, ito yung situation natin. Recently, a data was sent over by a flyby near Saturn. For the first time ever in the star system, 2 light years from the Sun, a data scan from an advanced planet was picked up and transcoded. SETI, an organization set for this matter, had no choice but to disclose the content of the signal due to expansive leaks, conspiracies, and rumors regarding the incident. It's a human endeavor which needed further studies and clarification. Instead of locking up this data from public eyes, governments pleaded help from the public in training the AI for reconstructing the distorted clips and images for each data transcriptions. As a student taking science classes in Muirwoods Academy Incorporated, you were very much interested to participate as one of the contents of the file was a geological data. The following are the list of geological data from various areas. So, tungkol ito sa geology kasi yun nga yung main topic nyo daw sa science dito sa school natin. And fortunately, yun naman talaga yung topic ninyo. So, kaya nyo tinitake yung exam. So, for area 1, ito yung data na nag-gather. A particular terrain, volcanoes were scattered and geologic activities were constant. It was also stated that the terrain contained rich silica and other minerals. So, yun yung first na data natin. While the second data naman states that another data included was from the polar region of the same planet, which was described as a desolate place where volcanoes mostly had large opening in their summit which seemed untouched for centuries due to its rocky and cold atmosphere. So yun naman yung second natin. Well, the third one, in the tropics not too far away from the first data, was an area of majestic forestry and rich diversity. It was described to have scattered volcano with constant oozing of lava. The data further indicates that volcanoes in this area contained less amount of silica and other minerals compared to other areas from the file. Furthermore, this area is surrounded by oceans and islands. And right now, the AI needs further human interpretation to finalize transcription of data. Choose from the options provided for each category, then fill up the table on the next page. So medyo iba yung exam ninyo dun sa Actually, medyo iba yung exam ninyo dito sa test paper na nandito sa screen. So, yun nga, yung task ninyo is i-fill up yung table na to based sa mga situation na nabigay sa inyo. Ngayon, kung naaral nyo ng maayos yung lesson natin, ibig sabihin nun, wala tayong problema in filling out this form. So, balikan natin. First one, ano yung classification ng volcanoes based on activity? The first area, terrain, active ba or inactive? So, ano yung pwede nating clue word doon? Geologic activities were constant, meaning to say, active or inactive? That's active. Now, the second one, what is the possible morphology of volcanoes? Tingnan ulit natin. Okay, rich in silica. It was stated that the terrain contained rich silica and other minerals. So ano kayong possible na morphology ng volcano na rich in silica? Of course, yung perfect cone shape, and that one is called composite. How about the third one? Ano ba yung possible na eruptions Kung kunwari, unpredictably, bigla siya nag-erupt, ano yung strongest? Phreatomagmatic, Strombolian, or Plinian? Of course, ang pipiliin natin na pinakamalakas sa tatlo na yan is yung Plinian. See? Medyo madali lang yung exam natin. Now, ano yung description ng magma kapag sinabing composite siya and at the same time Plinian? High viscosity ba or low viscosity? Okay, that's right. High viscosity. Now, tapos na natin. Punta naman tayo sa second situation. Ano yung classification niya based on activity? Polar. So, polar region, described as a desolate place, large opening, and seemed untouched for centuries. Tapos, rocky and cold na yung feeling sa lugar na yan. So, ano kaya yung possible na sinisignify nun? So, since polar ang nakalagay, ibig sabihin nun, yung mga plates sa lugar na yun would have taken a lot of years, siguro even millions of years, para maabot yung polar region na yun. So, ibig sabihin nun, yung pinaka-possible na answer is inactive. Hindi nga natin na-identify kung ilang years, pero based on tectonic activities kasi, hindi naman basta-basta na yung isang rocky area or geologic active na area such as maraming volcano, basta-basta na lang mag-end up sa polar region. Of course, meron tayong tinatawag na continental drift theory wherein yung mga plates na yan is nagmo-move siya and it will take millions of years para ma-reach yung point na yun. Imagine natin, yung volcano na yun supposed to be siguro galing siya sa tropics or medyo mataas-taas ng onte sa equator. But since maraming time na yung lumipas, napunta na siya sa polar region. Kaya pwede natin siya masabi na inactive. Bakit din hindi active? Kasi wala na siyang nasasabi na geologic activity or since frozen na siya, siguro naging bato na din yung laman ng magma chamber niya. Now, ano kayang possible morphology ng volcano? Balikan natin. Large opening in their summit. Diba may dalawa tayong classification ng summit? Crater and caldera. And right now, yung pinakamalaki ang summit or yung butas sa taas is called what? Cinder, composite, or shield? The answer is cinder. Yan. Now, ano kaya yung possible na type of eruption na nangyari dun sa area na yon? Yun yung question natin sa Google form. Ano yung possible na naging eruptions niya? Of course, ano kaya yung pinakamalakas? Pwedeng yan. Plinian ang sagot. So, yan. So, with that intense eruption, nawala yung buong summit niya. Kaya nagkaroon siya na instead of crater, naging caldera na siya. Now, ano ba yung viscosity ng high or explosive na type of eruption ng isang volcano? Of course, same as the first one, high viscosity. Now, doon na tayo sa area 3. Diba? Dali lang. Punta tayo sa may tropics. Ano yung classification niya based on activity? So, sabi dito, not too far away from the blah blah blah. And sinabi dito, constant oozing of lava. Is that active or inactive? That's active. Active. How about the possible morphology of volcanoes? Sabi dito, constant oozing of lava. Ibig sabihin, dire-diretso lang na lumalabas ang lava sa volcano na yan. So, pag dire-diretso ang paglabas ng lava, ibig sabihin nun, low, flat yung nagiging area. So, nag-scatter lang yung lava sa base. Anong possible morphology nun? That's shield. Now, ano kayong type of eruption yung dire-diretso lang na lumalabas yung lava sa vulkan? That is called Strombolian. Now, since shield volcano siya and Strombolian yung eruption niya, How would you describe the viscosity of magma? Okay, that's right. Low viscosity. Kasi runny lang yung lava niya or magma. So, that's it. Nakompleto na natin yung table. So, kung nakuha nyo yan, meron na kayong 12 points. Well, dito naman sa may conclusion part, for confirmation lang to. Pero since hindi pwede kasi na ilagay sa Google form na tig 5 points siya kasi masyado nang mabigat, tigwa 1 point na lang siya. So, baka nga sabi dyan, awit kasi nga, tagwa 1 point na lang. Anyway, natapos yun naman na sa unahan. So, that's okay naman. Parang confirmation lang to. Now, sagutan natin. Do you think Area 1 terrain is located in a subduction zone? Why or why not? Of course, since sinabi natin na yung Area 1 is scattered and very active yung volcanoes niya, rich in silica and other materials, ibig sabihin nun, located talaga siya sa subduction zone. Kasi active yung volcanoes doon. So, kung sinabi nyo na yes, and at the same time, in-explain nyo na very active yung volcanic activity doon, meron na kayong 1 point. The second one naman, can we consider the volcanoes found in Area 2, polar, as extinct volcanoes? Why or why not? Balikan ulit natin yan. So, dito sa may part na to, large opening, caldera, rocky and cold atmosphere. Of course, extinct nga ba? Well, maybe. Pwede nating sabihin na yes. Pero, pwede siyang makonsider na inactive. And at the same time, pwede ring extinct. So, depende kung paano mo siya in-explain. Basta ang sagot mo dyan is yes. And at the same time, inactive yung explain mo or extinct, meron ka ng 1 point. And for the last item, what do you think allowed for volcanoes in Area 3 tropics to ooze out lava? Describe the factors that might have influenced its viscosity. Ano ba yung nagle-lessen ng viscosity ng material? Or ano ba yung nag-increase naman ng viscosity ng isang material? Of course, yung main factor is yung composition. Hindi naman natin pwedeng sabihin na nakarely lang siya sa temperature. Kasi hindi naman pwede yan. Kasi pag masyadong mainit or masyadong malamig, parang something fishy about it na. Pero yung pinaka main na answer natin should be the composition. Ibig sabihin nun, very less yung amount of silica or other minerals niya. That's why nagiging runny or less viscous yung lava niya habang lumalabas sa vulkan. So, I hope na maganda yung naging result ng exam ninyo. And I hope na kahit papano, hindi naging frustration yung naramdaman ninyo dito sa exam. Kasi yung main na purpose ng exam ninyo is para makita lang kung saan na kayo yung progress ninyo sa pag-aaral nyo. And by the way, I tried my best para at least gawin na medyo masaya ng onte and creative yung exam. So I hope na nagawa ko yung purpose na yun. And yeah, I hope to see you again next time for more studies and learning. So, yan, may mga nag-request sa akin sa YouTube at nakita ko naman, nabasa ko naman yung mga comments nila. Isa-shoutout ko lang po si Alistair Dacles and si JM Panganiban. Congratulations sa inyo. Again, thanks for watching and see you again next time.